Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Eagerly waiting to come to Delhi. So, I will meet you soon in Delhi this weekend workshop. So, if you are interested, please subscribe. Only few seats are left. 2 weeks later in Mumbai workshop. Coming back to the markets, it is another day of huge volatility. And the volatility was so high, I don't think that any intraday player would have made money today. Many of my friends have lost huge sum of money. I am just suggesting them, why are you trading in India? Come to Dubai, we will trade in US markets. I find trading in US market is much easier. US markets are also volatile. They are not volatile like India, but though the markets are so volatile, correspondingly the premiums are very high. And many of the system which I have developed, that's working very well in US market, whereas in Indian market it's not working. So that is why I have to change my entire system. So that's why my new workshop content is altogether different from my earlier workshop. But my earlier workshop attendees, if you trade in US markets, you will do very well. Markets are so volatile, was going up, down, yesterday from intraday low, Bank Nifty shot up 700 points. Today, from intraday high, it fell 600 points. Bank Nifty can move like 1000 point, 1500 point, up and down, making, trading very difficult for everyone. But that is going to be like this only. And FIIs once again have sold. I think they have sold for about 700 crore. The domestic institutions have bought for 350 crore. So there's hardly any big activity in institutional front, but still markets are too volatile. The reason is very simple. Volume. I think for the last two trading sessions, the volumes compared to the previous days, the volume is very low. If the volume is very low, even a small buying market can shoot up, even a small selling market can crash. You must have seen from 230 to 330, Nifty went up 100 point, came down 100 point. So I think, the volume is the big issue. I think, people are waiting for some kind of a clue. I don't know what clue can come. And Bharti Airtel declared the results, which is not so good. Markets are waiting for L&T results. So only the corporate results are the clue for us. And the global cues anyway have been good only. European markets in the afternoon opened firmly in green. Right now the US futures also. In the morning it was in red, but now slowly it changed to green. As usual, broader markets did well. It is only the index heavyweights. Reliance, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, TCS, Infosys. Yes, you just hammer these 5 stocks, market will fall. And I really don't know how much more of these shares these FIIs have. And also they are just manipulating everything. In the pre-market, Nifty was showing 300-400 point gap up. But then as soon as the market opened, it fell. Usually, if some big people want to sell huge quantities at the opening itself, they will just put some fake orders in the pre-market intentionally at a very high price, especially the index heavyweights. So they create an impression, so all is well, market is going to gap up, and then they sell immediately. So that is how they have played today. On a close to close basis, the performance is not really very bad. The Nifty is just down only by 60 points, but the intraday volatility, it was just killing. So looking at the open interest, we have 2 more trading sessions for this week. 19,000 put has the highest open interest among the put options. 19,200 call as the highest open interest among call option. And in fact, that has been the case since last Friday. But last Friday, I told you, how can market trade so narrow range? So one of the range will be broken, so the option sellers will be, wrong. But looks like at least monthly may be different, but at least weekly, it looks like they are correct. I think markets are likely to trade between 19,000 and 19,200. India VIX shot up once again. So, I posted today, option sellers are so sad because whatever the time decay happened in last 2 or 3 days, that has been taken away by the higher volatility index. So the premiums are shooting up. So when the markets are crashing, put premiums are shooting up, call premiums are not coming down. Again, markets are recovering, call premiums are shooting up, put premiums are not coming down. So ending up both the sides, premiums increasing. So anyway, it looks like it will take some more time for our markets to settle down. There are key events in the globally. Tomorrow is a Fed meeting, Thursday is Apple results, Friday US jobs data. It was surprising, so we are heading towards Deepavali, another just 2 weeks only, festival season, but still even the auto stocks are not doing well. I'm sure most of the people who buy 2-wheeler, 4-wheeler, they will buy ahead of the festival season. Usually ahead of the festival season, our markets used to be very good, but this October is one of the most difficult month. It's a brutal month, I can say. Out of the last 11 years, only 2 years, Nifty was down in the month of October. And incidentally, last time it happened in 2018, the year before parliament election. So this year it has happened the year before parliament election. Right. So now there are many conflicting reports are coming. So one guy coming and saying that Nifty will shoot up 13%. On an average, it has given 13% return in all the election years, just 6 months ahead of the election. Then another guy coming and telling, if BJP fails to form the government at the center, the Nifty will crash 25%. Who knows? It may go to 13% up and then may fall. But again, the first statement we have to take it at face value. The second statement we don't have to take it at face value, because that comes with a condition. If BJP loses, who knows? BJP may win. As far as I am concerned, so I am a little bit scared of suggesting my friends to sell put option in the election year. Election year, I do not suggest people selling put options. So only call options or call ratios. And I am also a firm believer in one thing. If BJP wins also, market will go up. If Congress wins also, market will go up. But the market will fall only in case of hung parliament. The probability of that is very, very low, it seems, as of now. So anyway, politics we will talk later. So now the market, October month has gone very, very bad, but yet I managed to make some good profit in October. So maybe I may come out with a video showing my October performance in US markets. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.